Oh, I've studied hummingbirds for most of my life. The problem is that in my long study of hummingbirds, I forgot it all. I can't remember a dang thing about them, except that they like to fly fast, and they like to go up and down and sideways. And we had them in Spokane, in the backyard, and in Spokane, it was built on our home was on a hill. So, and the hill went down. Well, the hills go up and down. This hill then had a back a door, which came down a few steps down to the ground, and then there were certain places you could hang things, and it was a perfect place for a hummingbird thing. And we had hummingbirds there. We had them, damn it, we had them, and you can't say we didn't. We had them. They were beautiful, and they were fast. And my mom, who's now long deceased, she loved them. So we got a lot of comfort out of having the birds around and enjoyed them.